and join them in honoring our country.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष
In Ladakh and his team of officers, Mr. M.K. Sharma, Principal Secretary to Honorable the Chief Justice of High Court of J&K and Ladakh, breathtaking landscapes and serene beauty. Adbhut. Thank you, Lordships. The earth shall be cherished by these little girls for their entire life.
All the esteemed guests, distinguished dignitaries, colleagues and participants present today. Honorable Mr. Justice Rishikesh Rao, Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Mr. Justice Rajesh Bindal, Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Mr. Justice N. Koteshwar Singh, Judge.
Become very popular in conquering distance between two places, and the stakeholders can join on these platforms. But I don't think we could have had a program of this nature.
First person comes another Chief Justice, Justice Geeta Mittal. So 3 Chief Justices are gathered here, and I implore all the law students to take inspiration, and also the other legal members of the legal fraternity in Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, who are present here, that if you continue to strive and do hard work, no goal is beyond your reach.
Honorable Mr. Justice Rishikesh Roy, Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Mr. Justice Rajesh Bindal, Judge Supreme Court of India. Honorable Mr. Justice N. Koteshwar Singh, Judge Supreme Court of India.
Respected participants from the state government and various other departments, and impartiality. It is to ensure